Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to do 3 messy ponytails. Super easy to do. You can do them by yourself and you can even wear this to an event. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with a friend that loves hairstyle and that you know is going to love this video. Now let's get started. I am going to start by waving my hair. This is the base I am going to use for every hairstyle. The first messy ponytail is very easy. I am going to call it a ponytail with a twist because that is exactly what it is. The first step is to tie the top layer of your hair with a small elastic. Don't do it too tight. I even suggest that after you put the elastic to start pulling a little bit to loosen the top and make sure it's even on every side. I am going to clip the ponytail up to get it out of the way, and then I am going to tie a low ponytail with all of the leftover hair. This second ponytail, do it tight and secure. Now you can let go the top ponytail, and I am even going to pull a little bit more to make the next step even easier. Make a hole in the center of the top ponytail and enter your fingers from underneath. Make a twist and pull the low ponytail through the hole. Now, you only have to tighten both ponytails and make sure there's no elastic showing. To finish, you only need to polish any flyaway that is bothering you. I love when it's a little bit more messy, especially at the bottom, and I like it better when it has a lot of volume. I also like to pull a little bit at the top to give it more volume, make it messier, and this way it will still look effortless, but at the same time you will be able to wear it at a special event. For the second ponytail, you are going to tie the top layer of your hair again, but make sure that this time, whatever you have left at the bottom is not too little, but also not too much hair. Again, pull a little bit to soften it and make it looser. Then I'm going to use this tool. In my mind, this is just a grandma hair tool, but apparently it's called a topsy tail tool. I love it and I use it a lot in my professional kit for wedding hairstyles. I will leave a link to it in the description box below. Insert the tail of the tool diagonally from one of the sides in the ponytail and divide the bottom layer of hair in half. Now insert the opposite side through the loop of the tool and then pull the tail. This is how the topsy tail tool works. If you are getting some resistance, just hold the ponytail you did at the beginning to make it easier to pull the hair through. Don't be afraid to pull hard unless it's hurting you, of course. Now, just repeat the same steps on the opposite side. Finally, it's just a matter of polishing and organizing it however you like it best. Again, I like it to be a messy ponytail with a lot of volume at the bottom and make the knot a bit messier. For the third ponytail, we are going to take sections of hair from each side of the top layer and make a simple knot. Just pass the hair through one time and then secure the knot to the head with a bobby pin. Then repeat the same steps with 2 more sections of the next layer of hair. Just make sure that in these 2 new sections you are including the leftover hair from the top knot. This time, the 2 sections of hair that hang from the knot, you are going to tie them with an elastic underneath the bottom layer of hair, creating a ponytail. Again, secure the knot to the head with a bobby pin and just tighten, polish, and make the ponytail messy. For this one, it's important that you make sure that you can't see any bobby pin, because this happened to me. You can see one. You may not be able to tell from the video, but I could see it when I was editing, and there's nothing I can do now. So just hold a mirror, make sure there's no bobby pin or any elastic showing. That is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with a friend that you know is going to love this video. And I'll see you in the next. Ciao!